Ninja Woodfire showing an error code? Here's what it means. If your Ninja Woodfire flashes an error on the screen, don't panic. Here's what the most common messages mean and how to fix them fast. Error E10, overheating or airflow issue. This means the grill is either too hot or the airflow is blocked. Unplug it, let it cool for 15 to 20 minutes, then check the burn pot and grease tray for ash or grease buildup. Clean them out before restarting. Error E05, power supply or surge issue. You'll see this if the unit isn't getting stable power. Unplug it, plug directly into a grounded wall outlet, not a surge strip or extension cord, and reset your GFCI if you're outside. Error E03, lid not sealed or misaligned. This happens when the lid isn't clicked shut all the way. Open and reclose the lid firmly until you hear it click, then restart your mode. No code, just beeping or flashing lights? That usually means the preheat didn't complete or the button press didn't register. Cancel the mode, wait a few seconds, and start again. If the code won't clear after all of that, it could be a sensor or internal board issue. Ninja support link is in the description. If this helped you clear the message and keep cooking, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast fixes that actually work. And to keep those error codes from coming back, we've linked a soft grill brush in the description that's perfect for cleaning out the burn pot and airflow vents. Thanks for watching, and grill smooth.